This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Take advantage of a fantastic opportunity to reside on a 2-acre lot in a brand new home. One-story ranch plan James model open floor plan, lots of space and natural light. LP Smartside siding, Mohawk Engineered Hardwood Flooring throughout the common areas downstairs, upgraded chef's kitchen, custom cabinetry west/soft closed door/drawers, island with hidden seating, walk-in custom wood shelves in pantry, quartz countertops in kitchen and primary bath, stainless steel range hood, electric cooktop, built-in oven/microwave. The layout is stunning, includes front porch, a formal dining breakfast nook, office, amazing back covered porch, a large great room west/electric fireplace, loft and bonus room. Large primary BRM downstairs, PM bath west/quartz DBL sink vanity, all marble tile shower and walk-in closet west/custom wood shelves. Granite in accessory bathrooms tile floor and shower in primary bath. Attached 2-car garage. Amazing 2.15 acre lot. For more information, review the details below.